Let's learn about the parts of the neuron. Let's start at the head of the neuron. It's called the cell body, and it contains the nucleus. Also on the cell body are many little strands coming out called dendrites. Dendrites contain receptors, and they receive information in, which may form an action potential in the neuron. The axon carries the nervous impulse from the cell body to the end of the neuron. The ends of the neuron can be called axon endings or nerve endings. They contain synaptic vesicles, which can transmit information to the postsynaptic neuron, or effector. On the axon of this neuron, we have layers of a fatty protein called a myelin sheath. The myelin sheath covers most of the axon, preventing depolarization from happening. The myelin sheath is made up of cells called Schwann cells. Once the Schwann cells have wrapped around and are thick enough, then we call it a myelin sheath. Myelin sheath insulates the axon and speeds up the rate of transmission. The spaces in between the myelin sheath are called nodes of Ranvier. The impulse jumps from node to node by a process called saltatory conduction. If a myelin sheath is on a neuron, then it also has a neurolemma. A neurolemma promotes regeneration of the neuron.